Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start in your Instagram profile because that's where the QR code generator lives. Tap the three-line menu at top right, then choose QR code. Older apps call it name tag. Once done, you'll see your code preview. This image encodes your username so others can scan to open your profile. Make sure your account privacy matches who you want scanning you. Public for wide discovery, private to control followers. Save or share the generated image using the Save or Share button to proceed. You can customize the QR to match branding or context. Switch color, selfie, or emoji modes so people recognize it. After customizing, tap Save to download a PNG you can use digitally or print on materials. Once saved, share through messages, email, or add to a website. This ensures people tap or scan directly to your profile. Make sure to test scan from another phone immediately to confirm it opens the correct account, and that privacy settings. Finish by exporting the highest quality file you can. Print at 300 dpi and leave a quiet margin around the code so scanners can read it. If scanning fails, first update Instagram and the scanning app, then regenerate the code. App bugs or cached redirects often cause failures. Also remember, if you change your username, you must create a new QR because the old image points to the prior handle. If problems persist, restart devices and retest scanning from multiple phones.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.